before, I help people build profitable WordPress websites fast without any technical knowledge. Customers and clients often tell me they have been burned in the past by marketers who tell them things like, you don't need a website, you can make money by posting links on the internet, which I find really funny. The fact of the matter is that most people who are successful online have at least one website. Most successful people have several websites. One of the best websites you can build is a video website. Why? Because people love watching videos. Case in point, you are watching a video right now. The problem is that building a great video website takes a lot of money, time and effort. And that's why we created Video Profit Engine. It's a WordPress plugin that builds video websites fast. It does so by leveraging already existing YouTube videos created by others in a completely legal and ethical manner. Let me show you how Video Profit Engine works. Let's say we want to create a website about dogs. Here I'm creating a template about dog training so we can promote a dog training product and get affiliate commissions. This is the template. The video will appear here, the description of the video will appear here, and in here we can enter a banner. We'll just add media. Let's select this banner, insert it to post, and then we'll copy our affiliate link for a dog training product. We click the banner, we paste the link, done, and let's save the template. Now let's generate some video posts. Every function within Video Profit Engine has a help tooltip, so you can click on this question mark and some information will appear. Here I have entered the keyword dog training, and we can fetch videos based on several filters like popularity, rating, recency, relevance, etc. We can choose the video duration, select videos with a minimum amount of views, etc. I have already selected the dog training template we just created. We click create video posts. Done. Let's view our website. You can see it looks great. Let's click on one of these posts. Here's the title of the video. Here's the video. Here's the banner we just added. And here's some text from the description of the video. If one of our visitors clicks on this banner, they'll visit this website through our affiliate link, and if they buy, we get a commission. And this is it. It's that easy. Talk to you soon. Take care. Our early beta testers gave us ideas on how to make Video Profit Engine even more powerful. And that's why we created the Pro version. It has a bunch of features that will help you get more traffic faster, convert more visitors to buyers, and grow your websites on autopilot. Let me show you some of the features of the Video Profit Engine Pro version. First of all, the Pro version can fetch YouTube comments and embed them as normal comments in your posts. For example, this post here has 74 comments. This makes your site appear more busy and popular to your visitors. And when this happens, your visitors will feel more at ease and they will be much more willing to buy from your site. Not to mention that pages with many comments get ranked higher on search engines like Google, because comments indicate that the content is interesting, which is what the search engines want to give their users. The Pro version can also cloak your links automatically. Google doesn't always like sites that are full of affiliate links, and that's why many top marketers use link cloaking on their sites. So instead of having an affiliate link that is long and ugly, it will be something that has your own domain and your own branding in it. And this will help your site get another boost in Google rankings. Another option is the text spinning option. The plugin integrates with Spin Rewriter, which is one of the most popular and powerful text spinning services. This means you can enter your Spin Rewriter credentials here, and the description of the video will be rewritten using synonyms and related keywords. That way your posts will be more unique. And when this happens, search engines like Google give your content a unique content bonus and rank it higher, which means more traffic for you. The Pro version also integrates with OnlyWire, which is a service that automatically syndicates your posts to social sites like Facebook, Twitter, and 50 other social sites. You can enter your OnlyWire credentials and you will start getting backlinks automatically from all over the internet. OnlyWire is one of the best kept secrets of smart marketers who rank high on Google. The more backlinks your site has, the higher it ranks on search engines like Google. Again, even more traffic for you. I have left my favorite feature for last. It's the Channel Spy. The plugin can subscribe to the top YouTube channels of your choice and fetch any and all new videos those YouTubers upload without you having to add keywords or schedule posts. This is a great way to fetch content from the top video content producers and authority figures in your niche automatically. You set it once and forget it forever.